nabanggit niyo po na information sharing and collaboration between defense agencies ng Philippines and Japan. What new agreements are expected considering that Japan and the Philippines are already coordinating on this front for years?
Yes, actually po gusto ng mapapag-usapan po ng dalawang bansa para po implement fully yung ating defense agreements such as the Reciprocal Access Agreement na nilagdaan po noong 2024. And para din ho yung sa acquisition, yung agreement ho natin concerning reciprocal provision on supplies and services between the AFP and the Self-Defense Forces of Japan signed noong January 15 po, 2026 na nagsiset po ng basic terms para sa palitan ng supplies at services sa pagitan po ng Self-Defense Forces ng Japan and AFP. So ito yung nagsisilbing logistical backbone po para sa joint military training, operations, human assistance, and disaster relief. So ipag-uusapan po nila kung paano natin fully mai-implement yung dalawang agreements na yon.